giving them a warm round of applause. First, the recognition award by the Lower Elementary Division. From Indonesia, we have Melindu Halima Beauty. This award is given to the above person for excellent results during the 6th International Loving Peace Art Competition, hosted and organized by the International Women's Peace Group, November 23rd, 2024. Yoon Hyun-soo, Chairwoman of IWPG. Congratulations! Next we have Rwanda. Uberaruto Emmanuel. The contents is the same as before. Congratulations. India. Mandan Verishi Dian. The content is the same as before. Congratulations. Mongolia. Jandanbal Jepelguyun. The contents is the same as before. Congratulations. The Republic of Korea. Oh Seung-ju. The content is the same as before. Congratulations. Next is the Upper Elementary Division. First we have is from Indonesia. Hilmi Sushilo Wahyu. The contents is the same as before. Congratulations. From Rwanda, we have Habarurema Siba Besti. Contents is the same as before. Congratulations. From Myanmar, Sho Junior Joel Makirao. The contents is the same as before. Congratulations. From Thailand, Manonjun Tepan. The contents is the same as before. Congratulations. From the Republic of Korea, Choi Young. The contents is the same as before. Congratulations. Next we have is the Middle School Division of Recognitions Award. From Indonesia, we have Kenatan Dwiangdara. Content is the same as before. Congratulations. From Indonesia, Mira Maulinda Okule. The contents is the same as before. Congratulations. From Malaysia, we have No Hanis Matsura Ichino Kadian. The contents is the same as
Isi
before.
sertifikat sama seperti sebelumnya. Selamat. Dari Malaysia, Naznin Nadia binti Abdul Majid. Isi sertifikat sama seperti sebelumnya. Selamat. Dari Mongolia, Kalza Iksaran. Isi sertifikat sama seperti sebelumnya. Selamat.
Next we have
Dari High School Division. Dari Australia, Harlin Kaur. Isi sertifikat sama seperti sebelumnya. Selamat. Dari Lebanon, Hassan Hasud. Isi sertifikat sama seperti sebelumnya. Selamat. Dari Rwanda, Amani Balagisi Nelson.
Dari Korea.
Isi sertifikat sama seperti sebelumnya. Selamat.
from Thailand.
Thailand, Nataporn Sakport. Isi sertifikat sama seperti sebelumnya. Selamat. Dari Fiji, Ronel Prasad. Isi sertifikat sama seperti sebelumnya. Selamat.
Lebih.